Hello 5C, my last video for you. Exercise 10B, question 31. Based on the given question, Tom, Mary have 3 sons and 2 daughters. So total 5 children, or say 5 kids, and the 2 parents. They have bought 7 concert tickets. So in part A, in case there are no restriction, how to find the corresponding number of ways can be arranged in the seat. So total 7 people, so 7 factorial, therefore 5040. I think most of you can work out part A. But how about part B? At least one. This is the key word. At least one. Whenever we see the word at least one, we usually transform to the question into all possible way minus something. All possible way. 最少一個家長 sit at one end of the row， 最少一個家長坐喺最側邊兩個位打個位，即係唔會點啊？冇家長坐喺側邊咯。At least one of the parents must sit at one end of the row. So you should transform the question into the difficult part is to find the number of ways that none of the parents will sit at two ends. What's that mean? All possible way is 7 factorial minus the number of ways that no parent sit at two ends. Any one end of the row. This is part B. 最少一個點點點，亦都係諗成所有情況減走 not 點點點。So if I'm planning to find the number of ways that the parents have to sit at the both of them sit at the middle 5 sit middle 5， 因為佢唔會坐喺兩個 end， 咁就即係話其實啲家長呢就喺2、3、4、5有喺5個位，揀2個位係俾呢兩個家長坐 Tom and Mary Tom and Mary 咁所以條式就係咩呢？ Therefore the answer you're looking for part B is to be 7 factorial minus these 5 sit 2. We should place them in 5個位，揀2個位俾Mary 同埋 Tom 去坐，即係5P2 5個揀2個，仲要係跟次序，因為一個係俾阿 Tom， 另一個俾 Mary。咁餘下嘅呢 ending 啊嘛，就係乘啦。仲有5個位，就係餘下嗰5個小朋友要去坐嘅地方。咁有幾多排序方法？5嘅 factorial。So the formula should be 7 factorial minus 5p2 times 5 factorial. Therefore, the answer should be 2640. Okay, answer is 2640. So part C. Next part C. Both Tom and Mary must sit between 2 children. Do you remember what I mentioned in the class? 揾罅去攝 Tom and Mary must sit between 2 children. 用 ending 嘅概念，再之後揾罅去攝。咁即係我哋先要排咗嗰5個小朋友先。5 sit. We arrange the 5 kids. And then check how many gaps suitable for this situation. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps here are possible seats for Tom and Mary. Therefore, the first step, arrange these 5 kids, 5 factorial, and then 4 choices for Tom and Mary. It means 4p2. So answer become 1440. Okay, 5 seats, 4 gaps. Take 2 for Tom and Mary. The last part, part D. When you read the question, should be careful that this given information means parent must sit at the two ends of the two rows. This situation is applied for the subpart D1 and D2. So when you work out D1, under that the parent must sit at the two ends of the row, or say we should satisfy this criteria and something. What's the question in D1? And there are no restrictions for the sitting for the children. So it means you should prepare the two n first. So you have 2 factorial. And then you can arrange the other 5 right between these two. The 2 factorial is for Tom and Mary, right? And now the middle is the 5 kids to be arranged at the middle. It means 5 factorial. So D1 answer is 5 factorial times 2 factorial times 5 factorial. Therefore, answer is 240. How about D2? The parent must be sit and 2n. So again, you should have 2. And what's next? No son sit next to each other. So the 2n have to be the 2 parents. And now it's talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5, when you arrange the son, have to sit, no son will sit next to each other. It means these must be son and son, right? Cannot take this seat, cannot. So for the son, you should arrange these 3 seats for them. It means now times 3 factorial. And the rest is for the 2 daughter. So times 2 factorial. So now this is the formula and the answer is 24. That's all of my lesson. Bye bye everyone.